Come test drive the 2018 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, power driver's seat, power sunroof, stability control, alloy wheels, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, trip computer, power brakes. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.